So for today's assignment, you're going to go to lunes 26 de mayo, and the name of the assignment is called Final Average. First, you're going to watch a video on how to calculate your final average, which is this video. Then you're going to go to the attached link and you're going to calculate your grade. Once you have calculated it, you're going to take a picture or a screenshot of it, and you're going to submit that image to this assignment. A reminder, your final average must be 65 or higher in order for you to receive one high school credit. You need it to graduate high school. So this is the link. You're going to click on it. It is going to send you to the White Plains Public Schools website. You are going to go right here. You're going to click on it. It is an Excel file. So you're going to download it. Once you are there, you have directions at the top in this green box. It says, please enter grades in the blue cells only. So this one's right here. The second scenario will be auto-populated for you. This second scenario is if you chose an NM for quarter 3. The model with the most advantageous final average will highlight in green. So this final grade will either be green or yellow. If it's green, that's the most advantageous final average. If it's yellow, that's the least advantageous average. So, for example, it said only the blue boxes, so I'm going to go there. For quarter 1, I had a 70.15. For quarter 2, I had 80.45. For quarter 3, I had a 70.19. For quarter 4, I currently, so you're going to put in your current grade, I currently have a 90.15. I'm going to click enter. So I have my least advantageous final average as 77.82 and my most advantageous average, which is 80.37, and that's only if I chose an NM. All right, so this is your assignment. Now you have to take a screenshot or a picture of this, and you're going to submit it to the assignment once you're finished. That is it for today. Let me know if you have any questions.